Imagine walking into a museum in London or Washington, D.C., surrounded by relics from Africa, masks, drums, statues of gods, and ancient scripts. Now imagine realizing that each of these sacred objects once held deep spiritual meaning, not superstition, but an entire worldview. That's exactly what happened to Kofi, a Ghanaian student studying abroad. He had always been told that before slavery, Africa was lost in darkness, primitive, pagan, idol worshippers. But as he studied these artifacts, he discovered something astonishing. Africa had one of the most spiritually advanced and organized religious systems long before foreign religions arrived. Before slavery, African religion wasn't about fear or punishment. It was about balance, community, and connection. From the Nile Valley of Egypt to the rainforests of Congo, from Yoruba lands to the Ashanti Kingdom, Africans believed the universe was one great web of life. Everything, humans, animals, rivers, even stones, carried spirit. Many people don't realize this, but Africans believed in one supreme creator, long before Christianity or Islam came. Among the Yoruba, this supreme being was called Olodumare. Among the Akan, Nyame. Among the Zulu, Unkulunkulu. Among the Igbo, Chukwu or Chukwu. They believed this creator was too vast and pure to be approached directly, so they connected through intermediaries, spirits, ancestors, and natural forces. Think of it like this. In the same way you use your phone to reach someone far away, Africans used rituals, prayers, and symbols to connect with the divine.